Hi guys, welcome to class today. So today we are doing an eyelash tutorial continuation from the eyeshadow. So if you have not seen that video, please check it up. So you first measure the lash first, and you start from that side of the eye and measure. You cut out the excess. So you can either use a tweezer or use your hands to apply. And you have the front, that's the back of the lash, the side that sits on your eyes. So use the tweezer and grab it like that. Or use your hands. So you apply your lash glue on that area, that tip, not the other side that sits on the eye area. You see that straight line? You apply the lash glue there, and you apply more on the edges so that it will sit well, it will stick for a longer time. So we are using classic lash glue. So if your lash is feeling straight, you can do that to give it that curve so that it will fit into your eyes well. Then now apply the glue on that strip, not on where your eyes will sit, like on the body. You just apply on the strip, that strip line, and you apply more, like I said before, on the edges, because it will make it last longer. So to clean up the eyes for the eyeshadow fallout, you use a mascara first to clean out for any fallout, eyeshadow fallout. So you should not blow your lashes too. You should let it get tacky. After applying, leave it for some minutes. It should get tacky first, like in between liquid and dry. When it gets tacky, then you can now place it on your eyes. You can either use a tweezer, like I said before, and apply. You should apply the middle side first. You press it into your eyes with a tweezer, or you can use your hand. I want to use my hand as you. Use your hand, apply the middle side first. You don't apply it on your normal lashes, like you drag your normal lashes down and apply as close to your normal lashes as possible. After you apply the middle side, then you now gum the edges. The tip, guys, is to let the glue get tacky first, because if it's still wet, it will be very difficult to stick to the eyes. It will get all messy. So you let it get tacky first, then you just place it at the center of the eyes. Then you now press the edges. You now, if you like, you now press your natural lash to the falsies. To use the tweezer to press in so that to make it firmer. You don't want to apply lash, and when there is a wind, you are afraid that it might fall off. Then I use it and press it in so that your lashes, your falsies, will be together with your natural lash. You know those look that when somebody comes closer to you, you can see the falsies and the natural lashes. I think it's not good. So guys, this is as simple of false lashes application as it can get. So wait for the next class will be foundation and concealer. So guys, do hit the subscribe button. Until the next class, take care of yourself. Bye.